Hey guys, and welcome to Road to Forex. Of course, I'm Alex, and I appreciate you being here with me today. Now, I want to talk about my biggest FAQ. So it's recurring, it has been here, number one FAQ since the day that I started teaching, and that is, why do you teach people how to trade when you should be a good trader? Shouldn't you be off with your millions of dollars on your beach, doing that sort of stuff, a hedge fund manager? Because, the old saying is, those who can't do, teach, right? There are so many scammers within the Forex, the crypto, stock markets, whatever you're looking at as scammers. Like, how are you different, Alex? Why do you teach? I'm gonna get into that here. So I'm not gonna do an American Idol sob story. I'm just not gonna do it. So when I tell you this, it's not to be going, oh, woe is me. I could not care less about what you think about me, to be honest. And if you ever work with me or you listen to my podcast, you know I don't BS. That is it. You know I just don't BS. But have I been in a position where I've not been able to afford rent? Yeah, unfortunately, multiple times. I've had to sell my car to afford places to live. I've had to move back in with my parents. I've had to lie to family and friends. I've had to borrow off family and friends. I have woken up at 11 p.m., 12 a.m., 1 a.m., 2 a.m. You guess the time. I've woken up in the middle of the night going, well, how am I going to afford to, again, pay rent? I'm just not going to have to eat today. Some of it's my fault. Some of it's because, I've been made redundant 2 weeks before Christmas. I've had jobs just collapse. Businesses that I have been in that I haven't owned have just gone under. And, that's what happens. That's what happens when you're in an environment where the economy just sucks and COVID comes in and all this other stuff and blah, blah, blah. COVID was a bit later on, but that's what it was. It's just, things were hard and I wasn't really qualified and for anything, and I just did crap jobs and I got crap money and everything was crap. So even if you've never been in that position, but everyone's had some sort of financial stress. And again, I'm not saying that I've had the worst life ever, because I certainly have not. Was it hard? Did it suck? Yes. Am I in a great position now that I am entirely thankful every single day for it? Yes. So you then ask me the question, okay, why do you teach? Well, is it not the greatest answer in the world to go, I've been there. If I can make sure that you, yes, the person watching this right now, whoever you are, whether you are one of my mentorees, you've just seen me for the first time or whatever, and I can get you to a place where you don't have to feel those thoughts anymore. That you can say to your boss, F off, or you can go and be part-time, casual, whatever it is, then have I not achieved such an amazing feat? Because I certainly think it is. And that's not just me being soppy. I actually believe that it is my duty. And whether you're religious or not, and again, I don't really mind, but as someone that identifies more as a Christian, I look at it and I just go, hey, if I've helped you, I've actually done my duty. And even if you don't buy into religion and you're just going, well, you're actually helping people out, whatever way the answer is the same. I'm helping people. If I get to look back at my life at the end of everything, and I'm sitting there as like a 9-year-old bloke, just going, who knows? I'm 90 years old and I look back on my life and I go, I did this for this person, this person, this person, this person. Like, I changed these people's lives. I can already sit here and go, I know someone's gone back to university to study their dream job and they do not have to work. They are putting themselves through university in America off of their own back through Forex. I know that there's business owners that have to work less or can work less because of this. I know there's blokes in the UK who have worked multiple construction jobs or labouring jobs that have just quit. And what does that do for their families? Who do they elevate from there? And not that I'm looking for thanks, because I most certainly aren't. It's just thanks enough that you just go, yeah, I'm out of that race. I'm out of that, because that's what I wanted to do. And I got it and I did it, and it was extremely hard. If I knew I had to go through all of that again, I would be bracing myself, because it's a long journey. So that's why I do everything. That's why I'm here. That's why I teach. It's not that I can't. It's not that old adage that those who, can't do teach. I think it's an absolute BS crap. Because then everyone at university, everyone at school, everyone that is teaching you who is an accountant or who is a builder and all that stuff, you're going, oh, well, they're teaching and doing. I'm just doing the same thing. It's just an environment where there are loads of scammers. And if you have seen my podcast with 140, 50 episodes for free, all these videos, you know that I don't BS. If I'm putting all that stuff out for free and I'm taking all that time, well, damn, I am one dedicated scammer. So you can listen to this and you can make up your mind. I've never wanted to push anyone to do anything. But if you are looking at this and you are thinking, hey, I do want to change, I do want to do something different, then check out my podcast. Subscribe to me here on YouTube. Get as much for free as you possibly can. Or go to my website, roadtoforex.com, and you can figure it out from there. If you want to work with me, you want to change your life around, well, that is literally my goal. That is what I want to do. So yeah, that's all I have to say, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you have a prosperous trading day. And yeah, see you in the next one, guys. Have a good one. Bye.